In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ETrade password. Keeping your investment account secure is essential, and updating your password regularly is a simple way to strengthen your protection. I'll walk you through the process step by step, explain what to expect on each screen, and share a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First, sign in to your ETrade account. Use the official website or the mobile app, and make sure you're on a secure connection. Once you're logged in, look for your profile or settings area. On desktop, this is typically in the top right corner under your account menu or profile icon. On mobile, you'll usually find it in the main menu. Open Profile or Settings to access your account controls. Inside Settings, locate Security Settings. This section is where ETrade keeps options related to sign-in and account protection. Open Security Settings and then choose Change Password. This will bring up the password change form. You'll see three fields: your current password, your new password, and a confirmation of the new password. Type your current password carefully. For the new password, choose something strong and unique. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess, like common words, simple patterns, or personal details. If ETrade shows specific requirements, such as a minimum length or character types, make sure your new password meets them. Then re-enter the exact same new password in the confirmation field to avoid typos. A quick tip: type it slowly and double check that caps lock isn't on by mistake. Before you save, take a moment to verify everything matches. If the Save or Submit button appears inactive, it usually means the fields don't meet the requirements or the confirmation doesn't match. Correct any issues and then click Save or Submit to apply the change. After you submit, look for a success message confirming that your password has been updated. In some cases, you may be asked to log in again using your new password. That's normal and helps confirm the change was successful. From this point on, use your new password the next time you sign in, and that's it. You've updated your ETrade password by signing in, going to Profile or Settings, opening Security Settings, selecting Change Password, entering your current and new credentials, and saving. Keep your new password private and avoid reusing it elsewhere. Thanks for watching and stay secure.